to our stand at ACETEC 2015. We are from NeroPure. We manufacture stainless steel water tanks. They are insulated water tanks. So in this, we have different models starting from 100 liters to 10,000 liters. And all these tanks, they have stainless steel inside. There are two grades available, 304 and 316. If we are storing corporation water or RO water, then we have 304 grade. And if we are storing borewell water after treatment, then we have 316 grade. So let me show you how these tanks. This is a stainless steel tank inside and outside. So there are two layers. Inside is 304 or 316 depending on the water quality that you store, and outside is stainless steel in this. There is another material that we are using for outside. This is aluminium. This is pure aluminium in stucco finish. So this year we have introduced a new range of these stainless steel tanks, but with a difference. The inside is all stainless steel, but for the outer layer we've got colored polymer in different colors. You have white, grey, red, blue, green, and in this the benefits are the same. Inside is stainless steel, so health-wise it does the same job. It keeps your water healthy. Then for insulation is same, so your water remains normal, and the bottom is the same design, so cleaning is easy. In this, the cost factor also gets added to your. It also becomes a value which gets to you. Second, we have two layers of. The inside material is stainless steel, as I told you. Then outside we have another layer. In between is puff insulation. So this keeps your water normal in summers or winters. In summers it doesn't get heated up, so you have the comfort. In winters it doesn't get very cold, so you save on the heating cost of the water. Then for cleaning, we have bottom is round in dish in shape, and at the center you have a drain. So this is how it looks like. So when you open the drain, everything is out till the last drop. You can open it for a minute or two, and you can take out the mud and clean water comes, then you can close the drain valve. So it's very easy to clean. Likewise, we have for water controller. For water control, we have a controller at the top, and there are two floats inside. So at the bottom there is one float. When the water level reaches that level, it switches on the motor to which your water level controller is connected. And there is another one at the top, so it switches it off automatically. So it maintains the level of water. As I told you, the sizes are from 100 to 10,000 liters. This is a 5,000 liter tank, so the maximum size is 10,000 liters. So in these we have easily it doesn't create a vacuum, and further on it keeps on releasing the gases which a still water normally releases. Then for connections we have SS stainless steel bends at the bottom. So there is one point for the outlet, for the overflow, then inlet at the top. So this year we have completed 4 years of this NeroPure journey from concept to product. And, we're thankful to all end users who have taken for their homes, all the architects who recommended and supported this product through our journey. All the schools, hospitals, we're thankful to them, and we look forward to many more customers who will take this product and add value to their life.